Grandpa's Toy Box Adventures. Welcome back. Learning colors.
Okay, we're gonna open some. Go ahead. What is that? What color?
Green.
Okay, you wanna open it?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
With Connor.
Whoa! What is that?
It's a tanker truck.
Let me see.
Look it.
Okay, put it down here so I can see it.
Green egg.
Oh, look at that. I think if you look close, that's a water truck. Yeah, and that was
It's a water truck.
water truck, and that was a green egg. Okay, what's the next color egg? I'm gonna roll it to you.
Orange.
There it goes. Oh, get it. Okay, that's an orange one.
Orange egg.
You open it.
Crack. Open.
Whoa, what truck is that?
Whoa, it's a dozer.
It's a dozer? Why don't you put it down? Okay, let's see it. Whoa, it is a dozer. That's a cool one.
I'll do
Bulldozer.
the purple one next.
Okay, you want to do purple? I'm going to roll it to you. Get it. What's in that one? Let's see what that one is. You don't have to do
Purple
that. You're
egg.
going to break it.
Oh!
What is that one?
I don't know.
Let me see. Put it down. That one.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that one I think is like a cement truck. Let's see.
Doesn't open.
Let's see what it says. I don't know. I have to put my glasses on. Let me take a
Glasses.
peek. Okay, I'll take a peek. That one looks pretty cool though.
Do that one next.
Okay, that one there. Let's see.
It's blue.
So that one is called a. I don't know. I don't know what that one is. Yeah, I don't know, but it looks pretty cool. So you can move them. Look at, you can drive. See them driving around? Try to drive them through the eggs. Drive them through the eggs.
Papa, we're doing construction here.
Okay, how about another one? What color is this one?
Green.
All right, open the green one. See what you got. And then line up the cars, the trucks afterwards, all right?
That hurt him.
Oh,
Oh! It's an excavator.
an excavator. Oh, cool. All right.
Excavator.
All right. Okay, we're going to keep them open. And, all right, here's another one.
Blue.
Blue.
Blue egg.
Whoa! It's a dump truck.
It's a dump truck? Okay, put it down. Let's see it.
Dump truck.
Okay. Put the other ones next to that one. Line them up, okay? Line them all up so we can see. All right. Here's another one. And what color is this one?
Purple.
Purple.
Let's open it up. See what's inside.
Purple egg.
It's a cement truck.
Cement truck. All right. That looks cool.
Cement
That
truck.
is a cool looking
Grandma,
cement
do
truck.
you wanna
You know, he's got
watch
a
us?
look at the face. He's got a face on it.
Can I see
They have
it?
faces on them. Look at that. I didn't notice that.
Not
Do you
on
see?
this one.
Yeah.
Papa.
Well, some of them do.
Some of them don't.
Well, look at the cement truck. It has a face. Look at this one. He's got eyes. See his eyes?
I see.
See the eyes? He's got eyes. Look at
Grandma,
that.
do you want to watch us?
Okay. What color is that one?
Pink.
Pink.
Pink egg.
Oh, what is that?
It's a tow truck.
A tow truck? Oh, cool. That is so cool.
Put it down.
Yeah, put it down. Can you spin it around so I can look at it?
Tow truck.
Oh, it doesn't put it down. Look. Oh, that is cool. That is a tow truck.
Grandma.
What is this one coming at you?
Pink.
Another pink one?
Uh-huh. Crack.
Pink egg.
You cracked the egg open.
I don't know what this is, but Grandma, look.
Let's see.
Oh, what is that one?
We got all the construction trucks ready.
What is
for
that? That is an oil. It says oil and gas truck. I think that's what it says.
you.
Yeah, oil gas truck.
So do
It
you
says
know what
danger.
Danger.
You know what danger means?
What?
Danger means that you can't go near it. It's not good. It's very dangerous.
You know what?
What color is
smell
that?
something.
Whoa, that's a new color. What is that one?
Orange.
Orange.
Orange egg.
What is that one?
I don't know. Green, green.
Let me see.
Green.
Put it down. I want to see.
Okay.
Oh, that's just like a dump truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Vroom. If we had sand, we could put it on. We could put it in there.
Dump truck.
Okay, one more. One more. We have sand out back, but it's raining out. All right, what is that one? What color?
I don't know.
What color is that? Looks yellow to me.
Yellow egg.
Oh, I cracked it.
Is that yellow or green? That looks like a yellow one. That's
It
yellow.
does it.
That's a dump truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dump truck.
They're both dump trucks.
Okay, can we line them all up? Here, line them up. Drive them around so you line them up so we can look at them all. Isn't that cool?
1, 2, 3,
Good counting.
4,
How many do you think we have?
5.
Okay.
6.
You have another one?
7.
Good.
8.
No, I think that's 7.
No, 8.
Let's count. 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're right. Now that's what? 8.
8.
And then we have 2 more.
Excavate.
And what is that? Number...
3.
Come on.
4.
Number 9. You already have 8. That's number 9. You're going to have to count them over again. I know. You know how to count to 100. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Okay, you have 1 more to go. 1 more, and that's number 10.
Cement truck.
And then I want you to count them, okay?
Okay.
All right, count them. You can count them. Point and count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9?
Yes.
Grandma, did he miss one?
No, it doesn't.
1. Pull them apart. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, there was 10. Okay. So I want to show you one thing. You know what's cool about these? Watch. When you pull them backwards, they go forward. You pull them backwards. Look at. Whoa!
Whoa.
Told you. Watch. Whoa! You hit all the right off the edge. I don't think you can go too far with them. You might break the wheels. Whoa! You smashed. You crashed.
Yeah.
Do it again. Oh, you crashed them.
2.
Okay.
That one way far.
Okay. Oh, you're hitting all the computers that I have on the table. Whoa, that one overboard. Do it again. Oh, overboard again. Oh, this is gonna crash him.
Crash. 1 more to go.
Oh, we did have 1 more. What is this gonna? If we already had 10, is this gonna be? What is the next number?
I don't know.
Come on. What's after 10?
Yellow egg.
11. Yes, and what is it? How come we got 11? That was weird. What do you have there? You gotta show me. I gotta see what you have.
Okay.
What is that one?
Crash. Okay, take you go home.
Can you say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.